Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the gravy guy. Thanksgiving is here, and Christmas, it's right around the corner. So I want to quickly walk you through 4 steps to making the easiest turkey drippings gravy ever. It can be done in 10 minutes. It's simple, fast, and foolproof. It's great for beginners and will be lump-free every time. So let me show you how to make it. Step number 1, harvesting the drippings. Your turkey is roasted in the oven. Remove the rack from the tray. Put the turkey to the side, cover it, and let it rest, and while it rests, you can make your delicious gravy. These are your drippings, all that brown, delicious goodness on the bottom of the pan. Try to eyeball the amount of fat that you have in the pan. You'll need roughly half of a cup. There seems to be roughly about 1/4 of a cup of fat in the drippings, so I'm going to add an additional 4 tablespoons for a total of 1/2 cup of fat in the gravy. Turn a burner on to low. Start to melt that butter down. While you're doing that, you can scrape the bottom of the pan to help release some of those drippings. Whenever the butter is melted down, it's time to add roughly 2 cups of chicken stock, turkey stock, veggie stock, whatever type of stock you want to use. You can even use water if you like. But add 2 cups or 500 milliliters to the pan. I have 4 cups total in this measuring cup, so I'm going to pour in 2 cups now and save 2 cups for the next step of the process. Take a spatula, scrape the sides and bottom of the pan. You'll want to release all of that fond, that's flavor, up into the cooking liquid. That'll add loads of tastiness to your gravy. Make sure that your burner is not up too high. You really don't want to bring this to a boil. You're just kind of harvesting the drippings at this point in the process, so you're not reducing the liquid down. Okay, that looks great. Now it's time to move on to the next step of making the flour slurry. This is going to be your thickening agent for this gravy. You'll need some sort of container. A mason jar will work. You can even use a bowl and whisk this all together. Add 10 tablespoons or 80 grams of all-purpose flour. Round up the remaining 2 cups or 500 milliliters of stock and add it to the container with the flour. Remember those meals that made you feel at home? Well, they're back with the Sauce and Gravy channel's second cookbook, Comfort Foods Made Simply. Filled with scratch-made classics you'll be proud to serve. Creamy sauces, slow simmered flavor. No cans, no shortcuts, just real cooking. Step-by-step recipes, real ingredients, and QR codes to transport you to free video tutorials to help guide you. Cook with confidence, share with love. These are the meals they'll never forget. See the link in the video's comment and description section to order now. You want a good amount of liquid in there? If it all doesn't fit, that's okay. The remaining amount, just dump it right into the tray. Put the lid on. Make sure that it's well sealed. You don't want this going all over the place. And just give it a shake. Pretty easy, right? Nothing too difficult here. And it'll be lump-free every time. Moving on forward with the next step, mixing the slurry into the stock. And slowly whisk it into the tray. Crank your heat up to medium-high and bring it to a light simmer. Frequently whisk. If you have these large chunks of drippings in your pan, you can either remove them or you can keep them in. It's homemade, make it how you like it. And don't go anywhere, this will thicken up relatively quickly. But check it out, it's already starting to get thick. But once it starts to simmer, you can turn the heat down to low. And let it simmer until it's as thick as you like. Let's check it out. We'll do the spoon test. Look at that. Look at how that just coats that spoon. Step number 4, the final step, adding additional flavor. Give it a quick taste. For this particular step, any herbs, spices, spirits, vinegar, you name it, can be added. Make it how you like it. Adjust the seasoning. You might want to turn it down a little bit, the heat. Add a touch of salt. And black pepper. So you can pour it into another sauce pot. That way you can put it on the stove, keep it warm, while all of the other items are being put together for that delicious holiday dinner. And if you wanted to at this point, you can strain the sauce if you like it nice and smooth. This recipe will yield 4 cups or roughly 1 liter of gravy. So that's it. Pretty easy, right? That's how you make the simplest turkey drippings gravy around. Ready in minutes, perfect for beginners, and lump-free every single time. If you'd like to step up your gravy making game, check out this turkey giblets gravy recipe. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. Remember, until next time, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.